Rackarkatten, the cat who ran straight into my heart. From the very beginning, I knew Rackarkatten wasn't like other cats. Most cats are happy to nap in the sunlight by a window or curl up on the couch for hours. But Rackarkatten was different. She didn't just like to run, she lived for it. Running wasn't a hobby for her. It was her passion, her way of embracing life. In our little city apartment, she behaved like any ordinary cat. Quiet, affectionate, always hungry, and happiest when she curled up in my lap. But everything changed the moment we went out to the countryside. The second the door opened to fresh air, she lit up. Her eyes sparkled, her whole body trembled with excitement, and she shot outside as if the entire world had been waiting just for her. I'll never forget the first time I saw her run. Rackarkatten didn't just dash across the field, she seemed to fly. Her paws skimmed the ground so lightly, every stride filled with joy. That was when I realized, for her, running wasn't exercise. It was freedom, it was happiness, it was everything. At first it was just a little game between us. I'd stand at one end of the field, call her name, and she'd race toward me like a bolt of lightning, her little tail carried by the wind. But over time, those games turned into real races. And every single time, she gave it her all. Not because she wanted to win, but because she was born to lead. I'll never forget her very first real race, the kind with a starting line. She looked up at me with big round eyes as if to ask, what's going on here? But the moment she heard the signal, she understood. She took off so fast, I might as well have been standing still. In that instant, I could have sworn she wasn't just racing me, she was racing the wind itself. For 12 years, Rackarkatten never lost a race. Her best time? 60 meters in under 6 seconds. Faster than many people could ever dream of sprinting. But here's the truth. She didn't care about records, and she didn't need applause. She ran for pure joy. For her, every run was a song of life. Winter was her playground. She loved snow leaping into drifts, scattering powder in every direction, and racing across the frozen fields with her claws gripping the ice. But summer was her season. In the warmth, she would vanish into the woods, climb rocks, and explore hidden paths. She wasn't just a pet anymore, she was the queen of her own world. When Rackarkatten turned 7, I made the decision to leave the city behind and move permanently to the countryside. It was the best choice I ever made for both of us. She finally had the freedom she had always longed for, and I gained something too, a deeper appreciation for life's quiet, simple moments. Many evenings, we'd just sit side by side on the porch, watching the woods fade into the sunset. She'd purr softly, her eyes half closed, her body completely at peace. And in those quiet times, she taught me something important. True happiness isn't found by chasing after faraway things. It's right here, in the silence, in companionship, in the beauty of nature. Rackarkatten, isn't just my cat. She's my friend, my teacher, and a reminder that sometimes we need to slow down, take a breath, and just enjoy the moment. She's shown me that life isn't always about crossing the finish line first, it's about finding joy along the way. If you've ever thought about adopting a pet, let me share this. Do your homework, ask questions, and make sure you're ready for the responsibility. Because these precious souls deserve more than a roof over their heads. They deserve love, patience, and the chance to live as their true selves. I'll forever be grateful that Rackarkatten came into my life. She brought me laughter, taught me lessons I never expected, and filled my days with joy. And if you give an animal the chance, they might just do the same for you. If Rackarkatten's story gave you a smile or warmed your heart, don't forget to hit like and share it with others. Sometimes the simplest stories bring us the most unexpected joy.